going on, tubers? Today I'm gonna install this new X2Power battery. I've been doing a lot of research and I need a new cranking battery, plus I want to do my electronics and all my accessories, and I found this battery. What video I saw that made me decide to use this battery, it was Josh Douglas Fishing, and he is running these batteries.
My very first one here is going to be my cranking battery, and that's going to run my Mercury and all my accessories off of here. For instance, I just came off a 3rd place finish at Douglas Lake for the Bassmaster Open, where I literally stayed on one spot for 9 hours a day, never firing my big engine, had my pumps running, my GoPros running, my drafts on, everything going, and when it was time to go back to weigh-in with a nice live well full of bass, turned that key and my engine fired immediately.
So I took his advice on these batteries, and I'm gonna go ahead and install it today. Well, all you can see, I already took out the old battery and the old battery tray, and I got my wires hanging here, kind of in the way, but we'll figure all that out here in a second. So I'm just thinking I'm just gonna put this battery, since it's so big, I'm gonna put it right here, centered in the middle of all this. That's going to be the best spot for it. It'll give me a little bit of room around. That's where it's going to go, right here in the middle. Battery's going to be awkward to get in here, but hey. Be good right there. I think that will be good. I think that's where I want to be. Somewhere around there. Reds right here. Down there. switched all that over. So, I'm gonna take this. And that's it, folks, man. It's in there. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with the install. Yeah, and if you haven't already, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. I really appreciate it.